All right, now in the police service, structural changes have actually happened, and we can inform you that top police commanders who are recalled earlier will now head sections and will be referred to as regional operations coordinators. Let's just take a look at this particular individuals who have been redeployed and what roles they will serve in. Now, the former Central Regional Commander Gideon Amala will be in charge of the Nairobi and Central Regions operations, as the former Eastern Regional Commander Moses Ombati will oversee the operations in the Coast and Northeastern region. Now, Solomon Makau, who's the former Central Regional Commander as well, will oversee operations at Boni Forest in Lamu County, while Francis Munyambu will oversee operations at the Eastern region. Now, William Saia will oversee operations at the police training colleges, all of them. Former Nyanza Regional Commander Leonard Katana will be in charge of the Traffic Operations Department, while Noah Mwavinda will take charge of the Complaints Directorate. Last but not least, former Nairobi boss Joseph Oletito will be in charge of the